know what time it is.
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Hi friends, I'm Zoe, and welcome to the clubhouse. Today, I set up a toy town, and guess what it has? A bus! I love buses. Bus drivers can go to so many different places. And when people get on the bus, they go wherever the bus driver goes. Here's the bus's first stop. Oh look, a grandpa and a kid want to go to the grocery store. Hop on the bus. Here's the next bus stop. Oh look, a firefighter and a police officer need to go to work. Hop on the bus. Oh look, it's the bus's final stop. A family wants to go to the park. Hop on the bus. I love driving people around on my toy bus. It is so much fun.
Ho! Ho!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Zoe. Ho! Ho! Driving people on a bus, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I'm pretending to drive my bus, and everyone is following me.
There are lots of people who ride the bus. It's true. I know someone who wants everyone to follow him, too. Listen up. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Hi, friends. I'm Justin the mailman, and I have got a lot of mail to deliver. Now, some of this mail is going to people that live on a farm. Some of this mail is going to people that live on a beach. Some of this mail is going to people in a big city. And some of this mail is going to people who live in a small town. I have mail for everyone. That reminds me of a story. Do you want to hear it? Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. This true story from the Bible is about 12 friends of Jesus called the disciples. Are you ready to meet them? Here they come. There's Peter, Andrew, James, John, the other James, Matthew, Philip, Nathaniel, Thomas, Judas, Thaddeus, and Simon. The disciples all came from different places, had different families, and different jobs. Some of them were fishermen, and some of them collected money. They were all different, but what was the same was that Jesus loved every one of them, and they all followed Jesus. They followed Jesus to so many places and saw Jesus love everyone. They saw Jesus love people that were sick. They saw Jesus love people that were hungry. They saw Jesus love children. Jesus showed the disciples how to love everyone because Jesus loves everyone. The disciples traveled to so many places, telling people that Jesus loves them and that everyone can follow Jesus too because Jesus loves everyone. We can all follow Jesus because Jesus loves everyone. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who does Jesus love?
Jesus loves everyone. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who does Jesus love?
Jesus loves everyone. That's the truth, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus wants everyone to follow him. Ho! Ho!
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ho! Ho!
Wow. Jesus' friends, the disciples, followed Jesus. And we can follow Jesus too. Why? Because Jesus loves everyone. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. There are so many people that ride the bus, and Jesus loves every one of them. I still have more bus stops to make. I'll see you next time. Bye!